Welcome to Mishkaya, your go-to source for uncovering the truths about food, health, and wellness. Hey, it's Miranda from Mishkaya. Here on this channel, we break down the science behind nutrition, health trends, and superfoods to help you live your best life. Today, we're tackling one of the most controversial topics in nutrition. Is red meat unhealthy, or could it actually be the #1 superfood? Is red meat really as unhealthy as you've been told? Does it actually cause cancer, heart disease, and diabetes? Or could it be the most misunderstood superfood on the planet? Prepare to challenge everything you think you know about red meat. For years, we've heard that red meat is a leading cause of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. But where did these ideas come from? The truth may surprise you. Many of the studies linking red meat to health issues were based on observational data, not conclusive evidence. Correlation doesn't always mean causation. Now let's dive into the real facts about red meat. It's packed with vital nutrients that are essential for optimal health: iron, vitamin B12, high-quality protein, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, all found in abundance in red meat. These nutrients are critical for energy production, immune function, brain health, and muscle repair. What about saturated fat? Isn't that supposed to be bad for your heart? Actually, recent research has shown that saturated fat from whole foods like red meat may not be the villain it was once made out to be. Cholesterol in food doesn't necessarily raise your blood cholesterol levels. In fact, it's sugar and refined carbs that have a far bigger impact on heart disease. Humans have been consuming red meat for thousands of years. It was a key part of the diet that allowed our ancestors to develop stronger, larger brains. Modern science is now recognizing the health benefits of nutrient-dense foods like red meat in ways that our ancestors always knew intuitively. Of course, not all red meat is created equal. Choosing grass-fed, pasture-raised meat ensures you're getting the healthiest, most nutrient-dense option. It's also important for environmental and ethical reasons. Sustainable farming practices that support soil health and animal welfare are key to both personal and planetary well-being. So, is red meat unhealthy? Quite the opposite. When sourced and consumed mindfully, red meat can be one of the most nutrient-dense, health-promoting foods you can eat. It's time to bring balance back to the conversation about nutrition and stop fearing the foods that have nourished humanity for generations. Thank you so much for watching. And a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to keep bringing you the truth about food, health, and wellness. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the Mishkaya community, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.